Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new account or add a new account on the behalf of someone else and track their period cycle on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on your name and then tap on track other cycles. Tap on add a new account. Type in the name of that person, click on OK. And now that person's account can be found here. Tap on switch. Here you should answer these questions such as what's your goal, select birth year, whether her menstrual cycle is regular, period starts unexpectedly, have you ever experienced menstrual cramps. Select the symptoms before period that are relevant to her, whether she's on birth control or not. Tap on I'm ready. Now your friend's wellness journey is being generated, as you can see, and then you will be able to keep track of her period. So you can also skip these steps, and here you can find the home page where you can enter her period, write a diary, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.